The creation story in the Bible is a rich and complex narrative that has been interpreted in many ways throughout history. Here's a more detailed overview. The creation account. The creation story is found in the first two chapters of the book of Genesis. The account can be divided into two main sections. The creation of the world, Genesis chapter 1, 1 to 2 and 3, and the creation of humanity, Genesis chapter 2, 4 to 25. The creation of the world. The first section of the creation story describes God's creation of the world in 6 days. On each day, God speaks and creates something new. Day 1. God creates light and separates it from darkness. Genesis chapter 1 verse 3 to 5. Day 2. God creates the sky and separates the waters above from the waters below. Genesis chapter 1 6 to 8. Day 3. God creates the world, the land and the seas, and plants begin to grow. Genesis chapter 1 verses 9 to 13. Day 4. God creates the sun, moon and stars to give light to the earth. Genesis chapter 1 14 to 19. Day 5. God creates the fish and the birds. Genesis chapter 1 verses 20 to 23. Day 6. God creates the land, animals and humanity. Genesis chapter 1 verses 24 to 31. The creation of humanity. The second section of the creation story focuses on the creation of humanity. God forms Adam from the dust of the ground and breathes life into him. God then creates Eve from one of Adam's ribs while he is in a deep sleep. The creation story emphasizes several key themes. God's sovereignty. The creation story highlights God's power and authority as the creator of the universe. Humanity's role. The story emphasizes humanity's unique role as stewards of creation and bearers of God's image. The Sabbath. The creation story introduces the concept of the Sabbath, a day of rest and worship that becomes a central theme in the Hebrew Bible. The relationship between God and humanity. The story establishes the foundation for the relationship between God and humanity, which is central to the biblical narrative. The creation story has been interpreted in many ways throughout history. Some of the most common interpretations include literal interpretation. Some readers interpret the creation story as a historical and scientific account of creation. Allegorical interpretation. Others see the story as an allegory, conveying spiritual truths and symbolisms rather than historical facts. Literary interpretation. Many scholars approach the creation story as a literary text, analyzing its structure, themes, and symbolism within the context of the Hebrew Bible. Flowers are not only beautiful, but they also play a vital role in our ecosystem. Here are some interesting facts and types of flowers. Rose, one of the most popular flowers. Roses come in various colors and are often used in buckets and arrangements. Tulips. Tulips, known for their unique shape and vibrant colors. Tulips are a popular choice for gardens and floral arrangements. Daisies, with their cheerful appearances and symbolic meaning of innocence and purity, daisies are a favorite among flowers enthusiasts. Lilies, these elegant flowers are often used in weddings and other special occasions, symbolizing purity, innocence, and refined beauty. Sunflowers, with their bright yellow petals and tall stems, sunflowers are a popular choice for gardens and floral arrangements. Flowers have their own language with different colors and types, conveying various messages and emotions. Flowers play a crucial role in pollination, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators to facilitate and reproduction of plants. Many flowers have medical properties such as chamomile, which is used for its calming effects. Ultimately, the creation story provides a foundational understanding of the world, humanity, and God's relationship with creation. It reminds us of our responsibility to care for the earth and its resources, and to recognize the inherent value and dignity of every human being. As we reflect on the creation story, we are invited to ponder the mysteries of existence, the nature of God, and our place within the grand narrative of creation.